Arby's app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Arby's app not working in your device. Head over to your Play Store first and make sure that you are using the latest version of your Arby's app. At the top search bar, type in Arby's. If you see update just beside the app's name, it means your application needs updation. So head over and tap on update. If it stays open, it means your application is updated and you don't need to do anything for that. Now let's head over to our settings and scroll below until you see apps. At the search bar, you have to type in Arby's. For instance, if this is my Arby's application, you have to scroll below until you see storage. Tap onto it and clear the cache. Now tap on clear data and also delete this application's data. But before doing so, make sure that you remember your username and password. Once done, tap on delete and come back, tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall that application and reinstall it again. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If that helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.